Hi, welcome back to P2M, the Positive Perspective Mindset channel. Today we're covering how to build resilience and overcome the challenges in our career. So let's jump in. We've all had to overcome challenges in our life, but we adapted and bounced back up. So, what's the secret to overcoming life's hurdles with no sweat? It's resilience, and we've all been through it one way or another. Life can throw us some serious curveballs, and work sometimes might feel like going through a minefield blindfolded. That's why I've got your back with some practical tips to equip you with the ultimate resilience toolkit. Get ready to unleash your inner strengths and conquer anything that stands in your way. To assess our career and life, we sometimes need to take a step back and look at it from the outside. How are we reacting to things? How are we seeing them? It's all in the lens we're looking through, and in our case, our mindset. If you choose to look at challenges in a negative or neutral way, you're already failing at them. Having a positive and realistic mindset is vital for building resilience and conquering challenges in both your life and your career. It helps you maintain perspective, view setbacks as opportunities for growth, and stay emotionally and mentally balanced. A positive and realistic mindset empowers you to face challenges head on and navigate through them with confidence and determination. This brings us to our step 1 out of 6 on how to build resilience and overcome these challenges. So, step 1, embrace the power of positivity and realism. You know the saying, fake it till you make it? Well, let's give it a modern twist. Instead of faking it, focus on cultivating a positive and realistic mindset. Imagine this: you're facing a massive deadline at work, and your boss just dropped another project on your plate. Panic mode activated. But hold on, take a step back, a deep breath, and remind yourself that you've overcome challenges before. Believe in your abilities, stay positive, and approach the situation with a clear head. An action you can take to embrace the power of positivity and realism is to practice gratitude. Write down 3 things you're grateful for every day. It's a simple yet powerful exercise to shift your mindset towards positivity. Step 2, flex your adaptability muscles. Life is like a choose your own adventure game, except there's no turning back to change your choice. So, what do you do when things don't go as planned? You adapt. So, let's say you've been working towards a promotion at work and unexpectedly your department gets downsized. It's a tough blow, but remember, adaptability is your secret weapon. So, take stock of your skills, explore new opportunities, and embrace change with open arms. As an action, step out of your comfort zone. Try something new every week, a new hobby, or a different route from work. Embrace the unknown, and you'll become adaptable in all aspects of your life. Step 3, seek support and build your tribe. Imagine you're climbing a mountain, and suddenly your backpack feels twice as heavy. We've all experienced setbacks and challenges, and that's when a support system is crucial. Surround yourself with people who lift you up, motivate you, and help you see the silver lining in the darkest of clouds. Together, you can move mountains. Connect with mentors or like minded individuals. Reach out to someone you admire or look up to. It could be a friend, a colleague, or a YouTube creator who resonates with you. Building connections and seeking support is a game changer when it comes to resilience. 4, embrace failure and learn from it. Failure is not the end, it's a stepping stone to success. It's okay to stumble and fall along the way. The key is to learn from your mistakes and use them as valuable lessons for the next time. So let go of perfectionism, dust yourself off, and keep moving forward wiser. Embrace a growth mindset and view failure as opportunities for growth and learning. Reflect on your mistakes and make a plan to improve. Resilience is built through lessons learned from failure. 5, practice self care and mindfulness. Resilience isn't just about powering through challenges, it's also about taking care of you. Don't forget to prioritize self care and engage in activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Incorporate self care into your routine. Schedule regular breaks, practice mindfulness, and engage in activities that nourishes your mind, body, and soul. By taking care of yourself, you'll have the strength to face any obstacle and take care of others. And step 6, celebrate your successes. Resilience is a journey, and it's important to acknowledge and celebrate your victories. Whether it's a major accomplishment or a small step forward, give yourself a pat on the back. Recognizing your progress boosts your confidence and fuels your resilience for future challenges. Try creating a success jar. Write down your accomplishments, big or small, and keep them accessible. Whenever you need a boost, open them and remind yourself of your resilience and accomplishments. Building your resilience is all about the situations and challenges you're going through. Remember, life and work can be tough, but you're tougher. Keep pushing forward and you'll conquer anything that comes your way. Let's summarize. We are learning, applying, and building our resilience to overcome challenges in our life and at work. The three key points to doing so are: 1. Cultivate a positive and realistic mindset. Believe in yourself and approach challenges with a clear head. 2. Embrace adaptability. Be open to change and explore new opportunities and options. And 3. Build a strong support system. Surround yourself with people who uplift and motivate you. Positive surroundings. Bonus point. Don't forget to embrace failure, practice self care, and celebrate your successes. Stay resilient. These were some steps and actions on building resilience, overcoming challenges in your career. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and share your support. I'm Amanda, your online buddy. Join me next week where we'll be covering effective time management, maximizing productivity, and work life balance. Ask questions or suggest topics related to your career or personal life in the comments, and we can tackle them together. Remember to keep a positive yet realistic mindset. See you next week.